Hey there everyone, this is Haley Renee and welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you guys how I pack all my Etsy orders and how I decorate envelopes. It's a pretty simple process, but I thought I would go into a little bit more detail about it. As you can see here, I am grabbing all my supplies needed to pack my order, and then we'll get started with it. Also, I realized my thumb looked really weird here, so here's me trying to figure out why it looks so weird. So the first step with packing my orders is to grab a little backing card thing that I've previously made. I just used scrap pieces of paper, some purple washi, and I cut leftover cardboard so my orders do not bend. And then I write a little handwritten note on all my orders to the customer so they can get a little feel that I am a real person behind this small business, and I just really want to thank them because their support means so much to me. Anyone who buys in my shop, it seriously makes me so happy. And my shop is called Dear Haley Renee, and it's on Etsy, and that's where you can buy a bunch of stickers and some prints, and I think that's it all right now. And I have some like oops bag stickers if you're looking to try out some stickers from my shop and you don't want to like commit to the full price of them. The oops bags are discounted ones that have minor miscuts, but they are still perfectly usable. After writing my little note, I next grab the stickers and I keep them in these yellow like accordion folders, and they're all numbered mostly, or I just kind of look at what's in there and grab them. This customer ordered 3 different sheets, so I am grabbing those sheets for them so they can be put into their order. Next, I put that little accordion folder away and then get another good look at my stickers to make sure they're all okay and ready for the customer. And next, I already pre-picked out some freebies for them. One of them is a little alpaca sticker that I miscut, and it's not the right size, so I thought I would include that, and then some other little circle stickers that are not released yet, but my printer didn't like that cut either. So just things I don't want to throw away just because I miscut, and I just throw those as freebies in all of my orders. And next, as another freebie, I also give everyone a washi sample from my own collection. These are not washi tapes I made, just something as a extra little goodie to have a little surprise inside. And I put those on playing cards that I got from a YouTube convention in 2015 and just cut those up so they can be a little smaller inside the package. Now it is time to pack up the order. I use these little white glassine bags to put all my orders in so they are protected from water and any outside things that might damage them. I am pretty sure nothing has ever damaged my stickers before, but it's just in case, and to make things look a little cuter and like you're opening a little gift when you get some happy mail. Next, I use some purple washi tape to seal up the glassine bag so nothing falls out or gets moved around in the envelope I put it in later. I usually use this purple washi tape from Paper Chase, but sometimes I use other purple washi tapes just to keep things on brand when packing my orders so it's all cohesive. And next, I find a sticker from one of my sticker sheets and seal up the package just to give it a nice little extra touch, like you're opening a little gift. Now it's time to put the order in a envelope and seal it up. I use these pre-sticky ones, but then I also seal them up with another piece of washi tape just to make things a little cuter, and so it's like a little experience opening it, and for a little extra protection because I don't really trust those little like pre-sealed things. It just scares me, so I want it to be more protected. But I'm using this washi tape just to seal that up more. Again, I am opening my sticker book filled with stickers from my shop, Dear Haley Renee, to give it another little personal touch on the outside of the envelope. I decided to go with my camping theme stickers on this envelope, and after I stick those on, it is time to flip over the envelope and decorate it all pretty for it to go into the mail for my customer. I use this pink sticky note and white piece of craft or brown piece of craft paper to see what it would look like and see where things should be placed. I actually decorate each envelope pretty differently, depending, like if it's I get multiple orders in a day, those orders might look the same, but each day I just kind of mix it up and see what looks good and try to keep it like a pink and purpley themed for each of my envelopes and mix it with some craft paper. After I put the paper on the envelope and it's all stuck on there, I next pull out some washi to go with the colors that I put on the envelope already. I chose the same purple one as earlier, and then I also had this floral, like pink and purple themed one that I thought would look good as well. Now we get to write the customer's name on the order. I usually use my black Tombow Fudenosuke calligraphy pen to write their first and last name. I'm only going to show you their first name for this part, just so you don't see their identity. And then I also add some stamps determined like on its weight of the envelope, and this one is a little heavier, so I know it's going to take 2, but then I measure them after just to make sure before putting them into the mail. Lastly, I am adding one of my alpaca face stickers. This one looked kind of mad, and it's the only one I had left in my personal collection, so I gave it a little happy face so it looked like happy mail, not some slash face mail. But that's pretty much it for packing my orders. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, leave a comment and subscribe, and let me know what videos you want to see next. See you later, guys. Bye.